Well, what have we here now? That's not right. That has 6 wheels. That's a Pacific. That's smoking like a train. That's a Pacific running on the ESP32 Next Gen S. That's a flyer smoke. That is smoking like a flyer, man. That's a flyer, man. And he's pulling some cars. He's only pulling 6 cars. What happened? Oh, he didn't have traction tires. He was spinning out at the start. We had to pull a few cars so he could get a little traction. Oh my God. Is that beauteous or what? Now I've got a body for him. In fact, I'm just going to go get it. I'm going to go get this body because it is so good. Leon made this for me and I just love it. This is a K5 6-wheel. There goes the engine. And here's the body. Let me set this up for you. This is going to be lovely. There's the engine and here's the tender. Leon made that tender and he painted that engine. And he did it for me. I hope. I ain't sending it back. We're going to put that body on here. I'll have to make a new tender though. But that body deserves that engine, I can tell you that. That paint job is awesome. And this engine, hear that chuff? That's flyer chuff, baby. That's the flyer chuff. It is just cooking. It is just cooking. It's as smooth as glass. Dale Cox used to talk about water skiing, Lake Kentucky or Kentucky Lake or wherever the hell we were. He wanted to get up at 5:30, 6 o'clock. Nobody's out there. He wanted to see it when it was as smooth as glass. That lake. Boy, could he water ski. Holy moly. He only used 1 ski. I had to use 3. Well, 2. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby. Going through town. We gotta get a steam whistle here, a bell. All aboard. Yeah. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Okay. 3.5 amps, 16 volts. Damn near full speed. Oh, there's a little left. There's a little left. There's a little left. Go, baby, go. Go. Oh, he's just screaming. Oh, he lost his. He outran his hitch here. What happened? His is closed and his is closed. He just outran his hitch, boys. Oh, I can tell he doesn't have traction tires. I thought he did because they were black. Maybe it's just dirt. I don't know. Maybe there's oily. Was working on this thing quite a bit. I rebuilt the smoke, as you can tell. I fixed the blowout we had earlier. One of our caps took a ride. Went flying over there somewhere. Pieces of it did. This engine will fit on here and it would look awesome. Oh my God, would that look awesome. Get this bad boy out of the way. Look at that right there. Oh my goodness. That would be one heck of an engine. I'll need a longer coupler, and I'll have to build a tender for it. Oh, I didn't even see what was behind me. Did you see this? This is my my mountain, my Illinois Central Mountain engine. Oh yeah, Park Oldman built this for me. He built it for a few people, but that one's mine. That's Illinois Central. It's a square piece up there. 2500 is the engine number of the very last M1 that is in Centralia, Illinois, on display. And this is a model mimicking the exact shape and size. Really neat. Anyway, sorry about that. Sidebar. Pacific can't pull. Well, there's no weight on it. And 6 wheels and not traction tires. Well, not the same. I say these may be older, but I didn't turn the transformer is still heating the smoke up. Oh, I left my handheld on. Better get him off. I'm going to work on that handheld. It's not very handheld, is it? It will be. Okay. I just wanted to get a Pacific going, and with good smoke. So you saw it. Oh my goodness, would it go? And the beauty is this tender is 100%. I mean, it is ready to go. I'm going to remake 2 or 3 just like it, programs and everything, and we'll have some more. We'll have some more stuff going. We're going to build this kit for everybody. You can download it. Find somebody that can print. He'll print the parts. I'll give you a list of parts you need to purchase, and all of the schematics and all the PC boards and all of the software that was written for the engine and for the handheld. All these parts will be available. I think we're going to use a distribution outfit called Thingiverse. You know, like there's the universe, and we build thingies. We don't know what we call them. They're just thingies. So we're going to have Thingiverse handle this stuff, and I'm hoping we can get it up before Christmas. October, middle of November, I don't know. Hoping, because the kit by itself, you know, if everyone got all the documentation and everything, that would be a nice gift. Oh, there's the Atlantic that we had. Just not thrown to the side, but you know, the beauty about this one was that it is a 300, but the fields that I used were side. It's already got metal hanging off of it. They were side brushes. I'd never played with that motor. Oh, I got something else to show you. I got to find my Lionel rollers. Yes, I found it. I was looking for something else and found it. And look, voila. What is that? What is that big ugly mess? I'll tell you what it is. It's a Lionel Hudson. Yeah, I beg your pardon. An American Flyer S gauge. American Flyer O gauge Hudson. Well, Pacific. Look at the flares on that thing, boy. He's not going to fly off the track. Motor runs great. Smoke lid's been stolen. I'll get it back. Don't worry. I found I got the pieces. I can make more. This will run on that controller. That controller could go on I can't believe this. This guy is so cool. He sent me tender chassis. Somewhere I have them. Tender chassis. Yes. For the Lionel. I got another, look at that, another Pacific chassis and some tenders. Oh. I have a Northern and a Royal Blue and another, and that Pacific and the tenders for O-gauge American Flyer. See, there's the track. I don't have any track, but I can test on it, you know. So, nothing is going to stop me now. These boards, these boards that I'm using are covered with everything else. But the key here is, they're just thrown around because I was testing some stuff. The key thing here is you buy this board. I got one, it's tucked away, but I've got them in boxes. They're $10, $15. This one is like $15. These are like $5. And the rest of this is just you put it together. And you can see there's like 8 wires. I mean, it looks a little messy, but it's because I'm not... When I do it for an engine, it'll look nicer. And here's a tender with my old system parts on it. But this is a really clean... Look at how clean that is. I think this tender could be used. And look, I've already converted it to knuckle. I do want to build a link system because I have some link cars, but I think it's going to require a pretty big engine. I don't know. Maybe it'll be a Northern. I don't know. Well, I know this It never gets better. All my glasses. It's just parts, engines, a little paperwork overflow. Oh my God, my printer. What am I going to do? Well, one of these days, yeah, right. I'm already late. I just got yelled at. She heard the engine screaming. All right, I'm excited. I'm happy. Got a Atlantic and a Pacific. I got a couple O gauges ready to go, and I'm going to be building tenders, and I'm going to be ordering more pieces, and I'll show you exactly how to assemble this thing, how easy it is. You load and run, and it's just, you've seen 2 days now, absolutely perfect, absolutely smooth and running, no hiccups, no stops, no nothing. And today with the all-wheel pickup trucks, holy moly, that thing is just wonderful. It's going to be okay. It's going to be lovely. We're working on a little box for the AC transformers. I think that's going to be the safest thing I can do for all you guys. If you have AC transformers, you can use them, but I'm going to ask you to put it through my box so that we can tame it down. I found mine hitting 24 volts DC after the conversion in the engine, and that's what blew up a capacitor earlier today. Big old shotgun blast went off in the back straight. And we don't want that with you guys. So we're going to make it safer, but simpler. You just flip a switch. It's one way normal, one way my way. And my way is going to send a conditioned level of 18 volts to the track DC. Okay? I think that's the safest way I can help you guys make this happen. If we do it inside the engine, there's too many ways you can overload that engine. And we can't really afford to be melting parts inside there. That's not a smart thing to do. If we can control the power coming to the track, that's what we need to do. Now, that may be a box that's near the track and you just hook up to it with a switch. You turn it off, turn it on. We don't want to interfere with the AC operation, but I want you to know, I don't think you're going to be able to run them both at the same time. I just don't think so. AC and DC. I've heard it does, but I've never done it, and I don't know. We'll find out. But I think we're going to have to condition this track power better. We can't deal with 24 volts DC coming to the engine very comfortably. You know, there's too many delicate stuff in there. They can take 16, 18 volts, but that's a cap. That's the max. We'll talk it over. Let me know if you think that's a problem. All right, gang. I got to get upstairs. The boss is calling later.